real estate market is directly driven by the school calendar. A large percentage of homeowners in our country are families that have children that are enrolled in school. Oftentimes, they do not want to disrupt their children's school year by moving. They don't start thinking about buying or selling a home until the spring, when the school year is getting close to ending, and their goal will be to put their house on the market at the end of the school year so that their child can finish out the semester of whatever school they're in, move during the summer, get settled into the new home, and that way they can meet some new friends in the neighborhood before they even start school, and they get to start the school year fresh with all the kids on day one. When the school year is coming to its close and we get into the spring, not only is the weather improving, and not only do we have the best seasonal weather throughout the country, so it's the best time to go out and look at homes, but it's also the best, most convenient time, especially around a time like spring break, to go out and start looking for homes so that we can make a major change to the family dynamic, which is we are now going to move from one house to another, which everybody knows is a big to-do for any family. Hi, my name is Matthew Hoffman, Realtor Extraordinaire. For the last 15 years, I've helped my clients buy and sell homes all over Los Angeles, Orange County, and the rest of Southern California. If you'd like any assistance with buying or selling your home, please feel free to contact me directly or check me out online at hoffhomesla.com.